Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to do a quick video on cleaning the induction cooktop. You can see here that it looks oily. You can run my finger and you can see it. And you can see all the little spots of it being dirty. Horrible. So it's time to clean it. Okay. So I use this Arama Bright cooktop cleaner. I have a little bottle. In my description there will be a link and where to buy. The backside will have little instruction on how to put it and spread it. You see right there, this to take off the burnt, the oil and all that type of stuff like that. So I shake it up. Once I get the bottle, I make sure I shake it up first. Then I put approximately a dot about 5 times through the whole glass. One in the middle, one here. Okay, so now getting a paper towel or a rag. I will be using a paper towel. Okay, and now for me, I like going circular motion, just like this. And I will go circular motion on the whole induction cooktop. I will do it everywhere around it. Let me get a different view for you. And I would just keep on going circular motion. It seemed like this is some kind of wax. Keep on going circular motion throughout the whole induction cooktop. It looks crazy, but it does miracles. Okay, so now I will grab a dry one and I will start going in circular motion too, just like this. Now I'm starting to take off the cleaner thing. Keep on going through the whole cooktop. Put the camera down. And the same exact way, I will start doing it just like that. You can start seeing the difference. If you're looking how to clean this cooktop, this is the way to do it. Look at that. You can see the oil, the burn, everything comes off. Just keep on going circular motion. It's awesome, awesome, awesome. So now I'll just wipe it. Keep wiping until I see all the smell disappears. Look at that. You can see the shine into it. So this is the way to clean these induction cooktop. Look at that, like it's brand new. Smears, a lot of smears on the cooktop, but I will keep on going until it looks perfectly. Look how much nasty comes off. Look at how nice it looks. Looks very nice. Just remember, if you want to buy this product, in my description there will be a link and where to buy exactly. Look at that. Very nice. That's it. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Beautiful cooktop again. This is the perfect product. beautiful. Look at it.